everybody and welcome to YouTube episode number 158. Myself Lalia Dattagupta from Sangshiti, Kolkata, and today's episode will be on gorgeous, colorful, very bright and our very favorite Georgette Banarasi along with crepes. Crepes will be also in Banarasi. So starting with some bright Georgette Banarasi all over jal weave. This is in a beautiful hot pink color. It has a fully jal weave in gold zari, lovely pink, very sober, but it's a very bright color and a lovely color. 11,500. It we think that it will make us look dark, but no, this really enhances our color. It's a beautiful shade of pink, gorgeous, light weight, at the same time very bright. And here is the blouse piece with this plain solid color with the border, since the sari is all over jal weave. Here is the whole sari for you. Each and every product I'll open and show it to you so that you understand the whole look of the product, which is very important on buying online. I try my best to explain all the colors and also the weave, and I also try to show closely the weave of each sari. 11,500, product number 1. Product number 2, scarlet. Again all over jal weave in gold zari. What a vibrant, gorgeous color. Red and gold bridal. Amazing color combination, and here is a beautiful Nakshi woven pallu. 13,900, product number 2, 13,900, red and gold, pure hand woven Georgette Banarasi. We also call these khaddis, but I call them Georgette Banarasi because it, these are so classy, and there have been so many duplicates of these khaddis, which that's why I always prefer calling Georgette Banarasi. Pure Georgette hand woven handloom product. And these I myself have made. These are such heavy count Georgettes that in my one or two blouses I myself have not given a lining in my sleeves, but I'm still wearing it for the past 11 to 12 years. You have seen me many times wearing orange and red color blouse in Georgette, but without lining. It's such good quality Georgette. This is a burgundy color with an off-white antique gold zari woven Georgette with a very sleek contrast border, and along with this off-white and antique gold zari, this is looking very, very rich, especially because of the burgundy border. 10,000, this is price 10,900, all over lovely medium size buta along with burgundy contrast blouse piece. So here you go for the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for the sari. Very rich color combination. So let me hold it this way. You can understand more or less how it will look. Three. Now coming to product number 4 from the Agumoni collection. The red border, traditional. White golds are always, we all need this for our Bengali rituals, for weddings. Even everybody loves this combination. This is an off-white antique zari with a red antique zari woven border. What a lovely color combination and weave. 10,900 for this too. Here is the pallu part for you. This is a smaller size buta but a very rich border. The upper part will have the dhala zari border, the lower part will have the Nakshi border, and yes, it will have a bright red border blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and here is the sari. You never go wrong with this color. Any occasion you wear this combination, you will really stand out. It's such a lovely combination, and also when there is black, फिर क्या बात. See the border weave. This shows how skilled the zari weave in pure georgette. Such gorgeous weave in the border. All over, throughout will have this rich close booties. Throughout with this gorgeous rich border and pallu. 11,900 for this black and gold. Yes, this is little antique gold zari. But that is what is making it very rich against black. Here is the blouse piece, black with this border. And since it's a one side heavy rich border, see the look of this georgette. I've got a navy with this also. Equally pretty. The border, product number 6, 10,900. In case I miss out the price, please check the screenshot. The details of the price and the color details is mentioned in the description part. Take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once I give you the confirmation of the availability of the product, I'll give you the bank details. First come first serve basis. If you make the transfer, then I will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. And Sundays we are open now. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. This is the pallu part for this navy border. And one more thing, after you make the transfer, please mention your name, shipping address along with PIN code and the phone number. The phone number where it has to be shipped in one format. Please give all details after payment, because as I keep saying, many parcels are stuck because of incomplete zip code, incorrect phone numbers. Please be sure when you are making the payment. I don't want to delay in shipping. Please give all details after payment. Beautiful wine color with paisley border, paisley buta. Isn't it so rich? Beautiful color combination. Dark magenta wine color. 10,900 for this solid color monotone georgette. Beautiful color combination, and it will have a very pretty contrast jet black blouse piece. Very pretty. See the pallu. Peacock blue. It's a deep turquoise color in a solid color. All over buta with lovely rich nakshi woven border and a bright contrast blouse piece. I hope it's clear how it will look after you wear it with this blouse. So I think it will look very stunning. It will look something different. Now see the cute birds in this georgette. Shikarga woven all over product number 9. See the weave. Body all over chiria. Beautiful. Product number 9, 10,900. Here is the pallu. And Throughout the sari will have the same weave, and it will have a lovely unique color. It's a very dark peacock blue. This is the blouse for this. Both very rich color. The sari and the blouse, both colors are very, very unique, gorgeous color. We have two branches in Kolkata. One is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays open till Durga Puja, and then we will remain closed for 4 days. Do your shopping quickly for the pujas, and of course we will resume work again from Akadoshi, which we call in Bengali the day after Dashami. 10,900 for this product number 10, episode 158, pure georgette woven Banarasi in a bright deep turquoise peacock blue kind of a color with a contrast red rich blouse piece for this. This is the blouse piece, and here is the gorgeous woven, bird woven georgette Banarasi. So these can be your Diwali saris also, in case you in case you want them for your after puja use, Diwali, Bhai Dooj. There are so many festivals now coming. Product number 11. So something that what I am wearing, shaded georgette with bird weaves, peacock weaves, lovely weave, shaded georgette in emerald green. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse piece with this fuchsia. This is the blouse piece, and the price is 12,500. 12,500 for this georgette Banarasi with all over lovely, gorgeous, very rich shaded sari, emerald green and turquoise. Beautiful piece, and the neck piece that I am wearing along with this earring set. Since the body has bird weave, the neck piece also is of a peacock, similar shape. Peacock, it's 2,990 for the set. With emerald green and magenta color, same color mala. Beautiful, it's 2,990 rupees is for the set. And now number 11, something that what I am wearing. I'll just show you the shades that's we've just woven, new weaves. Previous shades that I had worn in previous one, there was another shading, so I had a very good response, so did something different this time. This is also with shikarga all over, buttas, big buttas in shades of rust and light orange with a lovely wine color border. See the shading, it's a beautiful shading in pure georgette. 12,500. This is 11A. This is the rich wine color blouse piece. What a gorgeous color combination this is. So totally new concept in shaded georgette Banarasi for you this time. As I always say, I always try to do something new in each episode, even though I've been showing georgettes for a long time. See, there is something new this time. B11B, shades of pink. floral red pink color shaded. What a lovely color combination. Rich, gorgeous sari. 12,511B. Again, this too will have a wine color blouse piece with a lovely Nakshi woven border. Just see the border weave also. You can understand how much time I have to spend with the weavers, with the karigars, with the with the shoot, getting ready for the shoot, doing my own makeup. I've learned so much now, but still, and I personally answer all the messages in 7603042696. Hence, definitely I apologize. There is delay in replying your messages, especially during the puja time this time. Please, I really apologize for that, but please bear with me. I'm trying my best to do it as quickly as possible. This is also 12,500. Number 12A again. Since these had come in the last moment, so I just made A, B, C, D to add, just to give it, show you all the shadings that's available now. Similar one that I'm wearing. Now see, this is a lovely purple magenta color shading with again shikarga border in shades. Border is also shaded. Can you see the lovely shading in the border? This is a beautiful piece with small buttas all over, big and small मिलाकर. पूरा साड़ी में एकदम पूरा बहुत नजदीक बूटा है. There's a कोनिया बूटा also in this. 12,500 for this, and see the rich shaded pallu, shade of mustard red. What a beautiful color combination. Very rich, and you feel really feminine and very colorful and lovely. When you wear these kind of sarees, you really feel good in your mind also. This is the blouse piece. First of all, hand woven. So much of thought gone into it. And these concepts, these are such rich heritage weaves. These, I'm really at loss of words to explain how, how much work and how much time we have been into discussing with the weavers, the color shading. And see, these are pretty high range sarees, so I can't, we never give a sale, so I don't want any of my products to get blocked. So keeping that thing in mind, so I always try to do the best of color combination, my ability of course. Now see this color combination and the butta, not only the colors that has been used, every rich butta, the butta should also be very different from each other. The intricacy of the weave, see the shading in the border, shades of magenta with orange and red. Can you see the combinations? One combination goes wrong, then the whole look will go wrong. So these are, it's very solid colors, the color which we love. Common colors like we all love reds, greens, these colors, but these kind of shading, it's really difficult to analyze what will come after the whole sari is complete. So there is a lot of work involved in this. Very pretty combination. 12,500. 12C. All shadings, but colors and the buttas, the weaves, the borders are all different. Range is same. Red and pink. See? Drop butta with bird, peacock, and with leaves and flowers. Rich weave, wow. See the back side, how lovely the neat border is finished. This is the back side. All threads cut out. And these are done by all family members. There are very little tiny children, the weavers' children, they are whole day cutting with the scissor whenever they get time from their studies. Achal. Now another some lovely gorgeous gold white reds. Off-white red, of course, means I feel so scared when I say white. It's not white, it's off-white, because you know, it's very easy to say white red. I mean, it's actually the actual color is off-white. Little difference in the color, you know, I'll get a scolding. I know, that's why I'm very particular. 10,500 for this. Stripes. See the shikarga borders. With weaves, these are not prints, all woven. Whole sari is hand woven. I actually don't make much milk whites. You know, somehow I feel Indian complexion, milk white looks not that good as an off-white color. Agomoni collection. 10,500 in stripes, and this also pallu, shikarga elephant pallu, all woven, and lovely stripes in the body. Now diagonal weave, again shikarga, again agomoni. See the broad mohapar border. We say mohapar when we say a very broad border. This is a Bengali term that we use for very broad borders. Par is border and mohapar is broad border. See the weave, gorgeous rich red. 10,500 only for this. Solid weave, too much weave in this, lovely, very pretty rich weave according to the range. See the blouse piece in red. Now here you can understand how gorgeous this sari is. Anyway, will stand out in the crowd. Most of you have Georgette Banarasi, but these kind of weaves are so rare and only done by very skilled artisans who give time to their work and thought process also. This is the pallu. Now shifting to crepes. Since I am showing Agomoni collection, Puja collection, these combination, I am going to this. Again another off-white color with a red border, no butta, border pallu concept in pure crepe Banarasi with woven pallu. 10,500 product number 15, pure crepe Banarasi, very much in fashion now, and yes, it will have a gorgeous rich woven blouse piece in red. Is it looking good? Please WhatsApp to any one of the number, because there's a lot of confusion. Sometimes even if it's available, I say not available because maybe in the other number somebody has already booked it, but it's the same person. So you get confused. So best please WhatsApp to any one of the number even after payment. And after payment, one more thing, please give the screenshot of the payment. Just don't write I've made the payment. There are so many people making the payment of the same amount. So no confusion, just to avoid any kind of confusion, please give your payment details, the screenshot of your payment, the screenshot of your product, and of course the your shipping details. This is the blouse piece, all over woven crepe all over jal woven blouse piece, very rich, and the sari is with butta red border, rich red border, all from our Agamoni collection, lal shada combination. Red and off-white with beautiful gold zari, product number 16, broad border, 12,900 because of the gorgeous rich blouse piece. And one such blouse piece if you have in your wardrobe, you can wear with umpteen number of saris. Now another lovely mustard color, Banarasi with muted zari. The sari is extremely uncommon sari. It's a very muted zari, because why it's muted, suppose it's against a contrast color, it would have stood out, but since it's mustard and antique gold, it's giving a very heritage look with this blouse pallu. It's actually a very classy sari. 11,900, and why I'll tell you it will look very grand on wearing, because now here comes the dhamaka. Now this is the blouse piece. Now you can understand why I made this color. Ideal for anybody going to a close person's haldi ceremony. Beautiful shade. Just wear a red bindi and you are done. Product number 18, new shade, very nice pista color and with a onion pink color border pallu, 12,900. Product number 18, 12,900. Facebook page, the link is provided. Please check the Facebook page for the still photos of the product and see the rich jal woven Banarasi contrast blouse piece. Don't waste the fabric. These are done with so much of patience and care and the thought. So don't wear a sleeveless blouse with this. Use full fabric, please. This is the sari. Now your favorite shikarga, but now this time with konia butta, new colors. Shikarga border, sleek shikarga border in deep royal blue. It's not royal, but would say bright navy blue. 11,900. Very smart, this ink blue, very smart color, and with a ghat chola blouse and konia butta. So here is the sari. I've got many colors to show you, so I'll be quick. Red, konia butta red, border, bird and peacock, same border, only the color is a bright red color, and here is the blouse piece for this. Purple, $11,900, product number 19. Very rich color, all in just border concept, no butta. Many of you have come to the store for these kind of saris, no butta saris. in crepe. These look very fashionable, especially these new colors that we've woven now with Konya Buta. Okay, that was deep magenta. This is purple. I'm sorry. This is purple. That was very deep magenta. Konya Buta. 11,900. All the borders are Shikarga border, but this is with Buta. Those were without Buta. Now here coming with Buta, new colors with Ghat Chola blouse, purple. This is exactly purple color. Deep rust, I would say a darker shade of orange with Buta, lovely shade. Same Shikarga border, only with Buta and Konya Buta, 11,900. See properly the beautiful woven pallu, small rich butas all over, and of course it will have the same Ghat Chola blouse. The previous magenta had elephants, now this is with flowers. Check the video properly for the screenshots. There's always the Facebook page. First come, first serve basis. To get the exact product, you have to prior book it, because these are limited collection. This is the pallu. Favorite crepe, black gold. Buta, border, and yeah, see the blouse piece in jal weave, and this is the sari. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. Very fashionable for 31st night or for Navami evening. Beautiful piece. 23. Deep viridian green, Konya Buta with Buta, 11,900, Shikarga border, and similar. So this kind, the whole stock is available now. So those who want can please come and do the booking. There's the WhatsApp number. We'll courier it to you. This border is also very pretty. Deep blue. Very smart border. Few days, I think yesterday only, there was a lady who was draping the same thing in black. She was looking so pretty. You know, this border was looking so rich against her. Just beautiful, and especially the blouse piece of this sari is also very pretty. It's in Leheriya style. Beautiful woven blouse with this. Similar one I have in peacock blue. Same price, 11,900. With Buta, more or less all the crepes are 11,900. So I've maintained this range. Here is the blouse piece for this. Gorgeous shade with rich pallu. Rama green. This Buta again is different from the other Buta. Even the blouse piece changes. 26, 11,900. Every day in the morning we sit, I mean there's always those who are the weavers, all the weavers from different states, we are in a conversation. So that's a very every day I get updates of what is going on, what they are weaving, any new concept that can be done. So it's a beautiful discussion that we do almost every morning. This is the blouse piece for this, and all for you. Once again closely the weave of the border. Okay, the mannequin is wearing a burgundy with Rani color contrast border. Beautiful burgundy and contrast border with it will have a lovely blouse piece in contrast Rani color. 11,900. 11,900 for this crepe with contrast border. Usually this is the only crepe I think I showed other than the gold reds with a contrast border. Most of them I showed in monotone, and this is a burgundy and a Rani color. And one more, the last one, number 27, I'll show you in Rani and navy. This is a very pretty contrast border sari in crepe. It's a beautiful color combination, navy and bright Rani. See the border, it's looking very pretty because of the extra paisley border that has been woven along with the dyed border. And I'll show you another beautiful part of this sari is the blouse. I love the weave of this blouse piece. So this is the blouse for this. This is the sari part. This is your body part, and this is the pallu part. What a gorgeous weave. Isn't it stunning? Very pretty. So, happy shopping. Namaskar.